In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join the Gucci affiliate program. To get started, open your web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type "How to join Gucci affiliate program" and press enter. This is the simplest way to find the most up-to-date official information, because brands sometimes update their partner platforms or change sign-up links over time. On the results page, look for the official Gucci website or a trusted affiliate network that clearly lists Gucci as a merchant. Avoid any suspicious-looking sites that promise guaranteed approval or unrealistic commissions. You want to join through a legitimate program, typically hosted either on Gucci's own site or on a well-known affiliate network platform. Once you've found the correct result, click through to the page that explains Gucci's affiliate or partnership program. Here, you'll usually see an overview of what the program offers. Things like commission rates, types of products you can promote, and any requirements for joining. Take a moment to read this information carefully so you understand what you're signing up for and whether it fits your content and audience. Next, look for a button or link that says something like "Apply," "Join Now," or "Become an Affiliate." Click that, and you'll be taken to a sign-up or login page. If Gucci runs their program through an affiliate network, you may first need to create an account on that network. This typically involves entering basic details about yourself or your business, such as your website or social media profiles, your niche, and how you plan to promote their products. When filling out the application form, be as accurate and honest as possible. Explain clearly what kind of content you create and who your audience is. Luxury brands often review applications carefully, so a professional-looking website or profile and a clear value proposition can really help your chances of getting approved. After you've submitted your application, you may not get instant access. Many affiliate programs manually review new applications, so approval can take anywhere from a few hours to several days. Keep an eye on your email inbox for confirmation or further instructions. Once you're approved, you'll be able to log into the affiliate dashboard, where you'll find your unique tracking links and promotional materials. From there, you can start integrating those links into your content and begin earning commissions from qualifying sales.